Hello subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. Today I will let you know how we can create interactive dashboard by using AI tools. So before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new video. And also, if you want to do practice with me, you can download this practice sheet from the description. I will provide this practice sheet link. You can simply download and start practicing with me. So let's get started. Our first tool that I will try to create the interactive dashboard by using Copilot. So Copilot is nothing but Microsoft tool, and it is mostly used in the corporate scenarios because it is the Microsoft product. So you can start using Copilot because companies are nowadays providing Copilot because it is a secured one tool. Let's get started. I will just try with Copilot, and also one more thing, I will also discuss about Claude and ChatGPT in this video only, and we will try to create dashboard by using these three tools, by using these three AI tools, and we will compare which one is giving me better results, and so that you will also get the comparison which tool you have to buy and you have to use maximum time. So let's get started. Here you can notice I have already typed the prompt that we can use with all these three tools, and you can see the icons in the right side. We have the Copilot icon, we have the Claude icon, we have ChatGPT icon. So I will use these three tools today just to show you the comparison between these three AI tools to create interactive dashboard. So if you will notice what we have in the dataset, we have multiple columns like order ID, order date, customer ID, customer segment, region, state, city, category, subcategory, product, sales channel. Then we have unit sold, unit price, discount, revenue, total cost, profit, delivery days. Then we have customer rating, returned, and payment method. So it is very big data set we have. Like we have multiple columns and we have around 500 entries here. And let's try to create by using Copilot. I will use this prompt. So let's read out this prompt also. As an Excel expert and a designer, create a professional and interactive dashboard for sales table. So this is my sales table. I've already converted this simple range into a table format, and I've already given the name as sales. The dashboard must include 5 relevant KPIs, 5 meaningful visuals, interactive slicers, timeline filter. Dashboard should be fully automatic. When I will add new entry, new data set in the sales table, it should automatically update. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. So let's copy this prompt and let's click on Copilot icon. If you are not getting this Copilot icon in your screen, you must get this license of Excel premium version or M365 premium version. Then only you are able to integrate this Copilot inside Excel. Not only with Excel, but you can even integrate with other MS Office tools like PowerPoint, Word, Note, and other AI tools and other Office tools. So let's click on this Copilot, and you can notice we have in the right side this Copilot pane, and here you can see this. Right now it is set to auto model. It will automatically select the model for you. It is set to auto for now. You can even choose the model whichever you want to use. Then we have the new chat option. Then we have three dots, and in this we have personalization section and manage skills. In personalization section, you can give the personalization command that you want to use every time when you will deal with this Copilot. And if you will notice in the skills part, we can even manage the skills here. Like you can, right now we have the custom skills, we have the finance, formatting, formulas, and visualization skills, but even you can create the custom skills as per your requirement. So if you will notice here in the chat box, with chat box we have these three features: allow editing, plan, and chat only. So maximum time try to use this allow editing because it will try to edit your dataset just as per your command. You just need to give the command. So let's give the command. I've already copied. I will paste this command here, and let's click on send, and let's see what will be the result by using Copilot. So this is the first scenario that we are trying to create interactive dashboard by using Copilot. Then we will also try with Claude and ChatGPT. So stay tuned with me in this entire video. You will definitely get something new in this video, and you will definitely learn something new in this video, and you will get an idea which AI tool you have to use for your work scenarios. So now it is grouping the ideas, and let's see what will be our final result. So I will definitely fast forward this video so that it will help you to save your time. So let's see what will be our final result. And it's done. If you will notice, Copilot has created the dashboard here, and you can notice here we have the 5 KPIs like total revenue, total profit, profit margin, orders, and average order value. And we have the slicers also here. If you will notice, just we need to set it out, but it has created the slicers. That is fine. Even we can set these slicers on the right side, and let's check it out, it's working or not. Let's click on central, and you can notice these slicers are working, and these slicers are connected with all the charts. If you will notice, let's click on central. Yes, all the charts are changing. If I will click on electronics, yes, it is also working. So you can notice this Copilot is able to create one interactive dashboard, and it has created 5 visuals: line chart, column chart, bar chart, column chart, and the column chart. And it has created monthly revenue and profit trend, then revenue by category, then profit by region, then revenue by sales channel, then return rate by category. So that is fine. Copilot is able to create that, and it looks fine. Just like a professional theme, it has applied, and it has given some scenarios also, the write up also. That is fine. So let's click on done, and now let's try with another AI tool, that is Claude. Let's try it out by using the same dataset, by using the same prompt. Let's try it out. Let's copy this prompt, and this time I will click on Claude, click on restart. So just if you want to use Claude inside Excel, you also need the Claude paid version, then only you are able to use that Claude inside Excel. So here also, if you will notice, we have the history, we have the new option, we have 3 dots, we can even download the transcript, we can do the settings that we want to do. We have multiple settings here. In the chat box, if you will notice, we have plus icon. We can connect with multiple connectors like Gmail, Google Drive, and even we have the plugins here. We have the skills scenario here. Skills part we will discuss in our next video. It can be possible, but this is also very important part in Claude. But for now, let's see how we can create the interactive dashboard by using the same prompt, by using Claude. We have already discussed about the Copilot. Now we will try with Claude. And I'm using which model? I'm using Opus 4.8 for now, because if you will notice, Opus 5 will consume your more tokens, so you have to check your tokens also. So I'm using for now Opus 4.8 just to get the dashboard. Even you can use Opus 5 just if you have more tokens and you can consume that, that is fine. You can use Opus 5 also. So for now, let's see what will be the result. And one more thing I just want to add here: as an Excel expert and a designer, create professional and interactive dashboard for sales table, and name the sheet as Claude dashboard, so that we can identify Claude dashboard, that will be relevant. So let's click on send, and let's see what will be the result by using Claude AI. And it's done. If you will notice, Claude also has created the dashboard, and if you will notice, we have different KPIs, 5 KPIs with different colors. We have the slicers, we have the charts, and it is more structured than Copilot, I can simply say. If I will click on central, it is also changing all the charts. So I'm getting better result by using Claude. It take too much time, but it has created the better than Copilot, and it has also given the color part, if you will notice. So better to use is Claude than Copilot for now, but we will check for the ChatGPT also by using the same prompt. So I will show you the ChatGPT scenario also. So stay tuned with me. We will check the ChatGPT scenario also. So now let's try by using ChatGPT the same dashboard scenario, and let's see what ChatGPT will give us the answer. Let's try it out. I'm using the same dataset. I'm using the same prompt this time also, and this time also I will just use here the new AI tool, that is ChatGPT. And inside Excel, I'm using 3 of these AI tools paid version, so that I'm able to get the better result. So now we have the text here. Now I will just type here one more thing: create a professional dashboard and interactive dashboard for sales table, and name the dashboard sheet as ChatGPT dashboard. Let's click on send, and let's see what will be the result now. So till now we have noticed we are getting the result better by using Claude dashboard, better than Copilot, but Copilot is more secured. AI tool because it is Microsoft product, but Copilot is also using the models related to Claude and ChatGPT. So let's click on allow for now. So I've just stopped this part because it is trying to upgrade the Copilot dashboard, but I don't want to upgrade this Copilot dashboard for now because I want to show you the comparison part. So ChatGPT has just copied the dashboard and created the scenario. But now what I will do, I will copy this entire table in new workbook, and I just want to see what ChatGPT will create. I don't want the copied scenario only, but I want to see what finally the ChatGPT will create by using the same prompt with the same data set. So let's click on ChatGPT and let's take a new chat. So this is also the sales table. Now I'm taking a new workbook. I will provide you this data set, don't worry about that. So I will just paste the prompt here, and it will be pasted as image, but I want to paste it as text. So let's see what will be our final result by using ChatGPT. Let's click on sign. So I'm using right now the fast mode, and let's see what will be the final result by using this ChatGPT. So today we are just discussing about different AI tools that we can use to create interactive dashboard. Like we have used Copilot, then Claude, now we are using ChatGPT, and we are just comparing which AI tool is giving me better result to create the dashboard by using this amazing data set where we have 24 columns and we have 500 plus rows, and we are just building the dashboard. And now it's done by ChatGPT, and let's check it out, it's correct or not. Let's see the values are correct or not. It is not properly visible. We have some slicers. Let's place these slicers here. Let's click on central. It's changing all the visuals, but visuals are not visible just because I think so we have some hidden columns here. We will just unhide all these columns, but still all are not visible. I think so we have some hidden sheet in this. Let's unhide the sheet if we have any sheet which is on hidden mode. No, we don't have any hidden mode also sheet. So where's the visualization part? So how this ChatGPT has created the visualization, that we need to figure it out. But I can simply say we are not getting the better result in only one time. I need to ask ChatGPT again to correct these visuals. I will just type here, not getting the visuals, correct this. So now let's see what result we will get. And it's done. Now we are getting the visualization part. Now let's see, it has also set the slicers. We are getting the result, but I can simply say it is not better than Copilot and Claude. So if I will see, this is the part of ChatGPT. If I will show you the Claude dashboard in another sheet, so this is the Claude dashboard and it is more attractive, and we have the better colors in this dashboard. If I will show you the Copilot dashboard, it is good, but we don't have more colors in this, so it is fine. Like I can simply say Claude win in all these AI tools. We have just checked now Copilot, Claude and ChatGPT how we can create the dashboard by using these three tools, and hopefully this Claude wins. You can also tell me in the comments which dashboard you like the most. You can type in the comment section, and if you want this practice sheet and if you want the sales data, you can just type in the comment section. And also I will provide this data set in the description. You can download the data set from the description, and also I will comment this prompt. I will also provide this prompt so that you can directly use this prompt. If you have any doubt in this scenario of ChatGPT, Claude and Copilot, you can even type in the comment section. I will surely reply on that comment. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned with me to get the more videos like this. We will try to explore more about all these AI tools inside Excel. So stay tuned with me, and hopefully if you have learned something new, please like this video and please share this video to your friends, and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new video. And stay tuned with me for more Excel, Power BI and AI tools tricks. Thank you so much for watching.